We've seen people who are totally confident because they're just saying like, oh, I have no problem. A secondary witness even ends up finding themselves shaking when they're on the stand because you're not used to being in that environment. You've got a person sitting on a pedestal right next to you who could put you in jail for the rest of your life if they want to sometimes. It's very scary. And so people like get there and they think they're totally ready and then they just like, they start shaking.
But that's okay. I mean, I try and communicate to people, it's okay. If we see a client whose hand is shaking and they're choking up, we'll draw it to the court's attention. Are you okay? And the person should say, no, I'm sorry, this is really difficult. And often one of the ending questions I will ask is, how has this charge affected you? You will always hear a prosecutor say, how did you feel at that point? How are you feeling then? How do you feel about this now? How has this impacted you? And you'll hear numerous times how the complainant will say they were traumatized, they were violated, they felt gross, they felt sick, all this stuff. And the accused, what are they supposed to say? I think it's extremely important for an accused to
remember they're a human being too.
To express how it's impacted them.